I'm Phil Martino. If you're planning on tying the knot this summer, Laura Paris, associate with Shulman Law Firm, says you should visit a lawyer before you say I do. She says it's important to be aware in advance of the implications of how the law treats your marriage.
The reason that we recommend seeing a lawyer prior to getting married is that when you become married, under the Divorce Act and the Family Law Act, you in fact become joined as an equal economic partnership, meaning that all assets that are accumulated during the marriage are subject to division in the event of divorce.
Among the tips she offers for protecting a major asset in your name, such as a home, have a prenup prepared before getting married.
I think that if you are planning on getting married this summer, that it's always good to talk to a lawyer to figure out whether or not there is something that you should put in place to protect your assets. You know, some people are coming into marriages with on equal footing. If that's the case, it may not be necessary for you to enter into a prenuptial agreement. However, if one party has significantly more assets than the other, then it absolutely would be recommended that you enter into a prenuptial agreement, which will allow for you to determine how those specific assets are going to be treated if and when the marriage fails and you end up getting divorced.
Some other tips: don't rely on verbal agreements, document everything, understand what a gift is and how it will be treated in marriage, and make sure everyone involved is on the same page.
Speaking to a lawyer and understanding how these assets and the treatment of these assets may change after being married and then upon separation is very important.
Laura Paris is an associate with Shulman Law Firm. At the Business Center, I'm Phil Martino.